Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show how to set up your data with external sources or internal sources. You don't need to add manually. It will add automatic in your Excel spreadsheet and that will update your dashboard. So in this video, I will going to use the COVID-19 data. The URL is this and my data table is here and total 2031. This data will be extracted by Excel and Power Query. So let's copy the URL and new blank Power. And now go to data and get data. There are so much option to get your data from file. You can from Excel file, text or CSV, and from folder. Just I'm sure just a way that if you choose a folder like just a minute, like here is my data. So here is my dataset and I am just opening this. So when your data is in your folder and then the some Excel or CSV file, when you add your data into your old Excel file or add new Excel file in your folder, it will appear or update in the Power Query and dashboard you created in earlier. So it's super helpful. Just I am show a demo. After that, it will show us a pop-up that what types of data is here, and then you can use this transform data. We are not going to combine them and load them. We are just transform the data. This is the just demo. I will show the how to extract data from website. So here my previous video, this one how to import data like a pro. In this video you will get the exact process I used to create the queries and making the tables from the folders. So I'm not going to show you the same things here. So I'm just close this and go to get data and from other sources. So here is you see this is database, Azure, Power Platform, online services, and other sources. So here is our from web. So we already copied the URL we desire. So here is the paste and just click OK. It takes some times. So now our HTML tables is here. We are not going to extract the suggested table at there are so many extra table maybe there, so we'll just see what is our table one means there are some we click here to select multiple item as if our we need to multiple data source data table, we have to click this one. Just show here what happened. You can see this web page also what the data you are going to extract, like we had 2031. So in the table view we already see this is the size limit. So just verify Taiwan is 15. So what is our 15 index? Is it Taiwan? Yes, this is Taiwan, and some value is just categorized by the country. So don't panic with this. And some extra data like this, we need just this one, not the rest one. This is the continent. There are some null values. So we just click this as our table and then click transform data. So if you already know this, you can skip this. So here is our all data. So now time to just process the data first. Then we'll clean the data and present some metrics. So click from here and then this, right click, remove other columns because we don't need those types of columns. So here is our data. Now place it the first as it will be our index. Sorry for this. What is the issue? I don't know. Oh yes, this is my mistake. I selected all, then try to replace it. Here is my index. Index. Okay. Now see what happened. We see here is column profiling based on top 1000 rows. So we don't have 1000 rows as we have only 2231. As here is some extra values. So this is Western Sahara and this is our country. So let's fix this first, as we have to be similar types of data. Now see, here is our MS Chandam, which is this, and total case is 9. Let's see, total case is this one. Total case is 9, total death is 2, total recovered is 7. Yes, what data is appeared. So now rename the data. COVID-19 data, all countries. Now load the data first, as we want to see this in our column and rows. After that, we'll try to clean the data. So here is our data and some null values is presented. We just ignore this time. And here is the power of Power Query and Excel. This is our refresh button. See, when the data will updated in the website, we used only the refresh button. Here is refresh. After that, it takes some time. If any rows appear, it should a pop up that the query or column or row will be added. After that, we try to mix some matrix here. Just click the edit button. It will appear the Power Query editor. Now just quick, we want to see this ascending order. Now it's your total. We don't need this one, so we just remove top 16 rows. Remove rows top 16. We will not lose the data, as here is the steps. See, the steps is here. So this is the another part I will discuss later, or you can see my previous video in YouTube. So now there is 2031 distinct and unique value. What is the actual value in this website table? So now time to fix where is the error. So here is the view. Remember column quality and column distribution. This is the most useful. As we see, is there any country name is wrong, or see there is no country name is missing. Also for continent, there is the unique continent, and there is no categorical value in there. So just of the column profile and see what happened. Our data total case total recovery must be the first appeared after the population. So after that, this is the death per million population. So this is not our concern at this moment. After that, we just closed this one, then try to go to our table design, summarize with pivot table. So now obviously we're going to new worksheet. Now try to see our continent, our rows, and our total date by column. What happened in there? Why continent some values? Let's fix it first. Now here is our data. See, there is two countries only. If you see, there is only two countries. They have some is only two countries have no data. This one. So this is the value we see here. If we ignore this, just click this one. Okay, here is our total date and total case. So you can copy, paste it here, and see what happened. Total date. This is the global number. Let's verify this. This is the global number of death, and total case is this, and our total recovered. If we just copy and paste it here, total recovered. See what happened. Not row but values. Why count of values? 10 minutes and try to see what is our date type, because this is the one case. Continent text total recovered. This is the text, not text. This is the whole number. This is the one thing you have to be careful when you are cleaning the data, because data type is crucial for our analysis. Let's see what happened. See, this is the total, and total recovered is our values. Why still? Let's refresh. There are some missing values also. Let's replace values with 0. What happened before the stress? Not a. That means there is something. So replace the values by 0. Then try to change its a whole number and close the data. Refresh the data first. Already refreshed in the background. Now see what is our data total recovered as a value. Still now this shows as let's see what happened. Yes, and this is our variation because some tables have null values as not available by what null is Sierra Leone. They have simple data. So this is all about my slides, and this way you can get the data from anywhere in the web or your folder or any sources. I will try to make some video to be expert
Welcome
in
to
PL30 uh, Power BI examination because this is most um, demandable skill for data career. Thank you so much for watching this video.